Hey y'all, it's your girl Phoenix Alexander back again with another hair tutorial slash quick update situation. So this is the wig that I got from Zhoumei Hair on AliExpress about a month ago. I wore it when me and my babe went on a little vacation, and I wore it in its natural state. I love the hair. It's so light and fluffy and easy to work with, but it is a lower density wig. So I decided to put some texture in it, and I did some crimps that go into curls at the bottom using my Babylis. Where is it? Hold on. I'll show you everything I use for this style, and I have a clip to follow to show you exactly what I did. But I used my old Babylis waving iron. This one is called the Babylis New Wave. My sister bought this for me as a gift a few years ago, and it's like literally one of my favorite hair tools. And I also used my curling wand. This one is just, brand it says. I can't even tell what brand this is now, but I got this a few years ago, one of the ones with the little interchangeable curler pieces or whatever. So I used this, and this is a graduated one. I believe it's a 1/2 inch. And I use that on the bottom. For this style, you are also going to need some spritz of your choice. I chose Pump It Up Spray. This is like an old black salon staple, y'all. It gives your hair shine. It gives it amazing hold. It's literally one of my favorites. And I also use my Chi Silk Infusion for this hairstyle. And that's it, y'all. So stay tuned. This wig has very light shedding. No tangling whatsoever. I wanted to do kind of, I don't know, a makeup look that was a little different. So yeah, I absolutely love this style. I absolutely love it. It's worth every minute of the time to do the waves with the curl. Get my little baby hairs plucked out this part. And yeah, I'm just loving this texture. So y'all get into this texture, get into this video. Stay tuned for the clip that follows. Stay tuned for the clip that follows. I know I'm ridiculous. Y'all should be used to it now. All right, roll the clip. Bye, y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. Stay tuned. Don't leave. Stay tuned. The clip.